Hi guys, this is Dr. Baker and today on Mug Madness we're going to learn how to make an oatmeal and raisin muffin. So let's start with some flour, to which we're going to add some chopped raisins. You can also substitute these raisins with cranberries or blueberries. Then go ahead and add some oats. I'm using instant, you can also use old-fashioned rolled oats. Add in some cinnamon and baking powder and give it a very good mix until everything is evenly distributed. Now in a microwave safe mug, take some regular salted butter which is melted and add in some white sugar and some brown sugar. Give it a very good mix until the sugars dissolve in the butter. Now take some milk and mix it around until everything is homogeneous. Take your dry mixture now and add it to the mug. Mix everything until it is smooth, lump-free and a nice batter. Top it off with some extra oats and some extra raisins. And microwave it for 60 seconds. It is out and look at the texture. It is so nice and fluffy and it should spring back to your touch. I hope you guys make it and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and for complete recipe head on to my website.